Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we've got something completely different. This Dewalt laser case has this issue. In order to fix this issue, we're going to use this Q-Bond. It's a product that I've been made aware of by one of my subscribers. I've been using it for a little while in this workshop here. It's called Q-Bond. It repairs almost anything. It's rock hard in 10 seconds and it's ultra strong adhesive filling powders. So it comes with the actual bond and a couple of bottles, and these bottles are for different materials. This grey one is for metal and this one's the one we're going to be using today. This is black for plastic. So it's these two we really need. This first one's black and it's for plastic. So it's a powder, and we put a bit of powder on the surface that we're going to stick like that there. Try not to get too much, but that's difficult. Just coat that area, and then we'll go with the adhesive. Just coating it here with the Q-Bond. And it glues in 10 seconds. It goes hard in 10 seconds, and then it cures fully in 24 hours. Hold it there till it sticks. You can put a clamp on it too, you know. So I've clamped that to hold it in place, and so I'll leave it a little while to see how well it sticks. With the clamp off, it has stuck well there, but I'm going to wait 24 hours before I put this clip back on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos. And if you want to buy the Q-Bond, I'll put a link in the description and pinned in the comment section.